Hey guys, my Richard videos. Well, we got the lathe up and going again, and it seems to run pretty good. It does have a bit of a wobble in the shaft, but I think that might be that might have happened back. It's not. That's low range. Now this thing is all metal gears. The drives are all metal gears. The only thing I like to upgrade is get rid of that frickin' belt and go. It'd be nice to go direct. Have just have a gear in between, right? This makes all gears and have no belt. But it is what it is, and it runs fine. So yeah, like I said, the shaft does have a bit of a. It's a bit bent, has a bit of a shake in it, but and this lathe was never ever perfect from day one anyway. So that's just the way it is. So yeah, we broke there's a piece that goes back here, and it busted, just busted, cracked or whatever, but it doesn't affect the way it runs. It's just a protector to keep crap from going in the bearing, but the bearing's sealed anyway, so whatever. I'm not gonna get too carried away with it. Going forward, if you're going to be doing any kind of machining in your shop, I would suggest going to a bigger lathe, the 9 series, 10, 12, whatever. But the nice thing of it is you want to stay under that threshold where you can just use a 110. Once you get to a bigger lathe, you have to go to a 220 and all that jazz of upgrading to bigger power source, right? But I like the small. I mean, you may have to go to like a bigger fuse in the house or in your shop or something, bigger fuse to run the lathe, but still keep that power core to 110. I like that option, but guy has to do what he has to do, right? But yeah, so now it runs good. I'm back to doing what I want to do with it. I have some bushings to make and such. My projects and around the farm I got stuff to do, and I gotta work on my trailer. There's all sorts of shit to do, and the lathe comes in handy for machining up certain parts that you cannot get. You have to machine them on your own. So yeah, anyways, if you're in a pinch, you need a lathe. These are cheap. You can get them on AliExpress, you can get them on Alibaba, you can get them on eBay, you can get them on Amazon for under $700, not including shipping, of course. So that's a pretty good deal if you're just doing small stuff. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.